From being an introverted girl who just hung out with selected people, Ali had to widen her social circle to be an effective team player. Since this is a team sport,
Yeah.
no, para bang you're growing with your team.
Yes,
Also,
yes.
parang yan na ang family mo,
Yes,
di ba?
second
Para bang
family
second
talaga.
family. Did you get along with your teammates from the onset, or was it also yung para bang an adjustment to, para bang to have a new adopted family?
Well, you know, in every team naman, lalo na sa team namin, we have different characteristic, different attitude inside and outside of the court. But I think we have one thing in common, like the love for the sport.
Yes.
And yun talaga yung nagiging bridge namin na to connect with each other. And you know, I think one thing that I've learned throughout my entire siguro volleyball, collegiate and high school, we really can't have the same characteristic.
Right, that's
Kasi
true.
kailangan iba-iba talaga to
Tama.
balance everything.
Yung respeto, respecting the
yeah.
individuality of each
Yeah,
person.
I've learned a lot.
Yes.
You really have to, as a leader, as an athlete,
Yes.
as a player, you know, as someone na nilook up and someone na ikaw yung bata, you really have to respect everyone and accept everything na alam niyo na may differences kayo. And from there, you have to work on that and then try to meet halfway and, di ba, hindi naman natin malalaman. And there is like the balance, you'll find the balance.
That's true. Yung mga bonding moments nyo naman na, for example, with your teammates, when you're not playing,
Oo.
ano pa yung
Anong
mga,
ginagawa namin?
anong ginagawa ninyo? Yung mga, yung parang mga normal, yung normal stuff.
You really wanna know?
Yes, actually.
Our bonding is sleeping.
Really?
Yeah, we know that if we don't have training, we're not gonna look for each other.
Yes.
Because we know we're sleeping. If we're not sleeping, we're just eating.
Okay, so it's eating,
We-
sleeping, and a lot of training.
Yes.
Yun. Okay.
And studying.
Unstudied.
Yeah.
Okay. Nagkaroon ba kayo ng mga tampuhan or mga conflicts also? I mean, syempre, it's for the long haul, di ba? Not everything goes according to plan. So, nagkakaroon din pa ng mga conflicts? And how do you solve
We're
it?
girls.
Mhm.
And girls are really different in terms of like interacting, in terms of siguro facing different conflicts. And it's really fun. And conflicts and tampuhan are the things that make the relationship go stronger.
Yes. When
Make
you
it-
solve them, di ba?
Yeah.
Then yung para bang they put you at another level
Super.
because,
And then, sabi nga nila, or if you think of it, if it's perfect, parang wala nang
Tama,
challenge eh.
tama.
Parang ganyan. So, that's why siguro different din yung characteristic namin, attitude. Kasi kailangan namin that's where siguro healthy competition goes in also. So, ayun, it's really fun. Siyempre, sobrang obvious, I think, yun yung isa sa mga kailangan din ng team, yung mga conflicts.
Tama.
Para matuto din kayo inside the court and outside.